Welcome to our advanced guide on transforming your life. In this video, we will dive deep into 11 powerful steps that will help you make silent yet profound changes, creating a life that you truly desire. Step 1. Self-reflection. The first step towards transformation is self-reflection. Take some time to explore your inner self and understand your thoughts, feelings, and desires. Find a quiet space like a peaceful garden or a soothing spot in your home. Step 2. Setting intentions. Once you have gained clarity, it's time to set clear intentions. Grab a journal, find a quiet room, and start writing down your goals and aspirations. Make sure to be specific and concrete about what you want to achieve. Step 3. Letting go. To create space for new opportunities, you need to let go of things that no longer serve you. As symbolized by releasing colorful balloons, visualize yourself letting go of negative habits, limiting beliefs, and toxic relationships. Step 4. Embracing change. Transformation requires embracing change. Just like walking through a forest, be open to new experiences and accept that change is an integral part of personal growth. Step 5. Daily rituals. Establish daily rituals that nurture your mind, body, and soul. Incorporate practices such as meditation, journaling, exercise, or affirmations into your routine. These rituals will support your transformational journey. Step 6. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive people who inspire and uplift you. Spend time with friends and loved ones who support your transformation. This positive energy will fuel your progress towards a more fulfilling life. Step 7. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. Read books, attend workshops, and seek knowledge that aligns with your personal growth. Just like this person enjoying a book in a cozy library, knowledge will arm you with the tools to transform your life. Step 8. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Take a moment each day, like this person writing in a gratitude journal, to appreciate the blessings and positive aspects of your life. Gratitude anchors you in the present moment. Step 9. Embracing failure. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as a stepping stone to success. Just like this person getting up after a fall, view every setback as an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine your path towards transformation. Step 10. Visualizing success. Visualization is a powerful tool for transformation. Spend time each day visualizing your desired future. Picture yourself achieving your goals and dreams, allowing your mind to connect with the possibilities that lie ahead. Step 11. Taking inspired action. The final step is taking inspired action. Identify actionable steps that align with your intentions and embark on your transformative journey. Just like this person taking positive actions in different areas of life, be proactive and persistent. Congratulations! You now have the 11 steps to silent yet powerful change. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's a continuous process that requires dedication and perseverance. As you stand confidently on the mountaintop, remind yourself that these steps will guide you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the journey and let your life transform.